Hey guys, welcome back. So I got sent quite a few new products from Stila and I was really excited by it because they are gorgina. I mean, look at these eyeshadows that they sent me. Can you see that? They're like marbled eyeshadow liquids. I played around with them a couple of weeks ago when I was going out for my friend's birthday and I did this really beautiful purple eye look that I shared on my Instagram stories. And a bunch of you DM'd me and said you wanted to see it, and even on my Twitter I was surprised by the response because it was a pretty simple look. But these products are so cute, I wanted to try them out on a video and like really see how cute they are. So the color that I'm going to use today is called Mythical. This is how it looks in the tube. I'll put it on the back of my hand. Isn't it nice? So it just kind of like all melts together to become one very pretty, very shiny purple color. I'll show you this other color as well. Like this blue one is called Mystic. And I think because it's got black in the tube, it will be a bit more smoky. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Wow. Am I right or am I right? What about this gold one called Spiritual, which is something I am not. But I am here for these eyeshadows. Gorgeous, right? Stila also sent me these really cute, vivid and vibrant eyeshadow duos. This one's an Amethyst. So we have like a buttery eyeshadow and then this one's a bit more glittery feeling. Actually quite dry feeling. Honestly, the glittery side feels a bit dry. So I already did my foundation over on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you'll be the first to know when I do go live. I love doing lives. I'm just gonna put a shadow shield under my eye because I've already done my makeup because I didn't want this tutorial to be too long. I'm gonna take the Vivid and Vibrant eyeshadow duo in Amethyst. And this side is the regular shadow side. The other side's like the sparkly side. And I really just pat it over the eyelid on the outer third. Then take a blending brush and blend it out. It really was, when I did it, like a really light haze, and I think that's why it looked so nice. Because a lot of people they want impact. Sorry, I can't take myself seriously with this thing. I feel like with eyeshadows, people really want that impact and they're always talking about like, yes, pigment. But I think there's something to be said about like softly diffused products and just getting that really nice wash of color. Kind of like watercolor effect. So yeah, I put like minimal product on, really blended it out, allowed that to be really soft and seamless. Because I think that's how you get a really professional, you know, result. It's something a bit more realistic. And also it helps me to prevent mistakes because if I just use a little bit at a time, I'm not gonna get that issue. Okay. Ugh. Bad for you, surely. Do the other side. I'm sharing the same guard because these are expensive. I'm still on the same packet from like years ago. I'm barely picking up any product. I'm scared because they're too vivid. Cool. I did not really even need the shadow guards. Actually, there is a little bit of sparkle on there, so probably better I wore them, to be fair. Okay, so the eyeshadow I'm going to use is that Mythical one. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand and then apply it with a brush. Maybe I'll just put it straight on the brush. Other one. Okay, over the top I'm going to add this other eyeshadow called the Little White Lies in Fuchsia Friction. Just want that ultimate sparkly effect. That's this one. It's the same kind of thing. I just want to pat a little bit over the top in the middle. You know, I really like these kinds of eyeshadows because it gets you glitter without the fallout, without the danger to your eyes. So just buffing out those edges so they're really soft. Now I'm probably going to go in with more purple so that you get that nice gradient after I've done the wing. And the wing, I think I used a gel, so I really like the BH Cosmetics one. It's just a plain black gel eyeliner. So any will do, but this one is one of my go-tos. So lining it up with my lower waterline, flicking it up, and then coming in from the top, make that little triangle and then fill it in. This brush is the Sigma Angled Brow. They have even better ones for eyeliner, but this is the one that I've been using. I don't want to dirty too many brushes. That looks good. Just want to build up the intensity. Now, half the battle is done. My heart is pounding. My heart is pounding. Is the mic picking it up? All right, I think I'm matched. Now is when I just take concealer, and I'm gonna take NARS Soft Matte Concealer, my bae, in Chantecaille 2.75. And I'm just gonna go underneath that wing and do that. Are they even? Be nice, because I'm sweating over here over these wings. Next, I'm just gonna build up that purple, so going back in with it. Just like that, hey? Isn't that cute? I'm just gonna do mascara now and then put some lashes on. I've been meaning to try the Chantecaille one. Why does it look like it's been so used? Have I used this? Ew, look at the tube of that. There's like nasty boogers around it. I feel like I did use this. Chantecaille is such a bougie brand. I don't see many people talking about it, but here we are, having a yarn. Okay, let's try this. Literally already got it on my eyelid. Ooh. I really hate this eye. I hate it. The lashes just don't have any kind of organization. Like, the ones on the end curl in on themselves pretty much. The ones in the inner corner like point the wrong way. They're just all over the place. The mascara is pretty good. Just my eyelashes are messed up right now. And then the lashes I used were the Eylure number 149 lashes. Okay, so they're on, but I just want to cover the glue, and I'm gonna take my Hyper Sharp wing from Maybelline. So using that product, draw over the glue, also connecting it into that little piece that doesn't have any lashes. Now that most of it's on, I'm going to take a little bit more of that Fuchsia Fiction, and I'll just pop it into the inner part so that you catch that. Do you see it? I feel as though my foundation is fully worn off there. I haven't gone anywhere or done anything. Weird. I used the Fenty foundation. Where did it go? I didn't even... That's odd. What is going on? Do you see that? You guys that watched my live with me, what? All I did was... Oh my god, can I lay a Fenty? I don't know. What the hell, I already did contouring and everything. Okay, that's looking okay. And even if it wasn't, there's nothing I can do. I'm all the way through this video. I definitely did not touch that part of my face. Good news is that layered really well, even though it really shouldn't. I did not deserve that. I definitely touched up here, but like, that's something that I always deal with. Okay, and then now I'll do this again. Honestly, that is weird. Like, did I just enter a parallel universe or something? That's a glitch in the matrix. I had foundation on and then it wasn't there. I mean, the rest of it stayed. What the heck? Lower lash mascara. I like the Pixie one. Okay, I'm gonna add blush, highlight, and lips now because the eyes are done. How pretty is that? I love it. And then this is the Clinique Cheek Pop blush. It's really, really pretty. I almost don't want to touch it, but I will. It's very matte, smoothing. Nice, I like it. I know this is a weird brush choice, but I feel like makeup artists use very small brushes and they like paint the product on, you know what I mean? And then the moment I've been waiting for personally was to try this. This is the Enchanted Shade Mystère Face Gloss. Look at that. It looks like something from outer space. I've not touched it before because it's honestly too pretty, but... Ooh, okay. Oh. Oh, it's glittery. Oh, okay. Oh. I mean, do we want... I feel like it would ruin the look. That's not gloss, that's cheek glitter. See? Looks like nothing from there, but then when you move, do I want to try it? Okay. I'm not going anywhere. This room is quite warm. I don't know if you can see this, but it's literally melting. It's moving around in the pan. Can you see that at all? Ooh, wow. Oh, I'm screwing it up. Oh, it's not pretty anymore. I guess I'll use my fingers for that. I just put it on the back of my hand as you saw. And I'm just gonna dab that on. It's very pretty. Wow, it like literally turned to jelly. See that? What a unique texture. Just put a very small amount on, like I said, from the back of my hand, because I was a little bit scared when I saw how that was. For some reason I thought it just looked like that in the pan, and then when I put it on it really would be more like a gloss, but this is kind of like a glitter. I'm just gonna put it everywhere I normally would put a highlighter. Oh, not on my, oh, not there, on my moustache. I meant to just put it here. I normally go for glosses, but I'm gonna take the Lip and Cheek pencil from Nudestix in Whisper. Don't like that color for me right now. This one looks better. It's Mystic. Yeah, my lips are more pink. This is the finished look. Because I kept the purple to the upper lid only and then that little bit in the inner corner, I feel like it's quite wearable. It's more when you look down that you really get the full impact of the purple. And because the lid is bare, except for the glimmer over that part of the eyelid, I think it looks really nice. I really like this look, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. I'll see you guys very soon because I have heaps of cool new videos coming up, lots of hack videos and stuff like that. So I'll be seeing you guys then. Thanks for tuning in. I love you so much. Mwah!